Hi, I'm Colin. I'm the president of the world. Nice to meet you. What makes a healthy planet? Is preventing climate change. No question about that. As the president, I would start by trying to get people to change how they travel because transport is the single largest contributor to greenhouse gas emissions in the entire U.S. There are plenty of ways to get places in more sustainable ways, such as riding a bike, riding an e-bike, ride sharing, using public transport or electric cars, and, well, of course, just walking to get other places. The reason these are more sustainable options is because they conserve energy and use less fossil fuels. The reason this is better for the environment is because there's less pollution and greenhouse gases. Essentially, there are many ways to thwart climate change. This is just how I'd start. But, well, I promise, as the president, I will make the world a greener place.